One of the best ways to get around Istanbul is the Vapur or the boats. This is probably the best transportation in Istanbul because it's a really nice, journey, of course. You can see the sea and the view. So I tell people who go and on boat tours, why don't you just take a Vapur from the Asian side to the European side or European side to the Asian side? Because unless you want a meal on the boat and see the bridge and, want to watch a belly dance, then it's basically the same thing. So the price costs just under 9 lira, depending where you're going. So usually it's 8.76, but if you're going to different places, you can pay more depending. So there's also a small cafe on the boat, and there's a guy going around selling tea, sandwiches and juice. Okay, so here's the map of Istanbul, and here are these dark blue lines are all the Vapur lines. But as a tourist, you're probably only going to use Karakoy, Eminönü, and Kadıköy, going Karakoy to Kadıköy. Maybe Beşiktaş as well, actually, there's, or Ortaköy as well. I'm going to put the prices in the description below. Here are the prices, but they keep changing, so I don't want to state the prices. So let me just put the link, and the timings also, I'm going to link it below. It starts at like 6 a.m. and finishes around midnight. So yeah, it's a really nice way to get around. I think you should definitely do it once. I mean, if you're staying in the European side, just take it to the Asian side, Kadıköy. Or you can also take it to the islands. These are the islands in Istanbul, but I'm going to make a separate video about that because it's quite a long topic. So yeah, from Eminönü or Kadıköy, or I think Karakoy as well, you can go to the islands. But I'm going to make a separate video about that. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.